In this video, I will show you how to use my Postepay card with Taptap Send. If you haven't already, download the Taptap Send app on your mobile device and create an account. You will need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. Once you're logged into the Taptap Send app, navigate to the payment or funding section. Look for an option to add a new payment method or link a card. Enter the details of your Postepay card, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and any other required information. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Taptap Send may require you to verify your Postepay card to ensure security. This verification process may involve confirming a small transaction amount or entering a verification code sent to your mobile phone or email associated with the card. Once your Postepay card is added and verified, you can proceed to top up your Taptap Send account. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Postepay card to your Taptap Send account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. You may need to confirm the payment using your Postepay card security measures, such as entering a one-time password or biometric authentication if enabled. Start sending money. After topping up your Taptap Send account, you can use the app to send money to recipients in various countries. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, country, and mobile number, and specify the amount you wish to send. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees involved. Confirm the transaction, and the money will be sent to the recipient through Taptap Send. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.